Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm a social communication specialist at the Zembrodt Education Center, and today we are going to learn how to make an origami bookmark. Here I've made a little fox, and this one I made just a plain one, so you can do either one, but I'm going to show you how to make the fox today. So first thing you are going to need is a piece of paper. Origami paper would work best, but a square 4x4 piece of paper works too. So you are going to start by turning the piece of paper into a diamond shape, and you're going to fold it over once to make a triangle, and then you are going to take this corner and put it up to the top corner. You're going to do that on both sides. Make sure you do really nice crease lines, because that will make the bookmark come out a little bit better. Then you're going to unfold it, and you're going to take one of the top corners and fold it down, just like that. Then you're going to take this top corner, fold it up, and then fold it under on both sides. Okay, and then you'll have that. And then you will just make the remainder of the fox. So right here I have an extra piece of orange paper. And I'll just cut off 2 little ears. I just used the corner. And then I have some white paper here to make the little hair around the fox's eyes. I just cut out 2 oval shapes. And then you're going to take a black Sharpie and outline the ears. And then next you take your glue stick, put some glue on each end of the bottom of the ears, and then tuck them in to the origami. Like that, so look like that. Next, you'll put some glue on the fox where your white is going to go for the eyes. Make sure you evenly get it on there. And then you will take your black Sharpie and just make some eyes on the fox. And the nose. And color it in. And you have your finished fox origami bookmark. You can use this on a book or a cookbook, anything. Just a reminder, you can make a plain one as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to show us your bookmarks.